can do to help you push this project? Because I believe in independence, and even though you are getting a major distribution deal, so to speak, you still need to be that force behind your product. I mean, it's unfortunately that a lot of artists get signed to major labels that have millions of dollars for promotions, but they don't put it behind the artist.
Exactly.
But that artist will get $50,000, not knowing that he should take that $50,000 and reinvest it in himself.
Yeah, see, that's another thing. It's like, sorry to cut you off.
That's okay.
When you independent.
Yeah. No, just kidding.
When you're independent, if you like start negotiating a major contract, you can have everything in your contract that you want to have in there. You can have it. Just like you're saying, if they stop promoting your project or don't have like the necessary promotions that you want to have, you can have it in your contract where you might have like $100,000 flush fund, where if they stop doing it, you can take that $100,000 and start putting it towards yourself. And that's why it's good to be independent first, because if you weren't independent, you wouldn't really know what to do with that $100,000.
Exactly. Oh,
but if you had the independent experience, then you would know what to do with that $100,000. Rent you a van, and you know what I'm saying, start getting TV commercials, all that kind of stuff.
Exactly.
To help yourself out.
Exactly. I mean, you've learned so much just being involved in the business. I mean, you have rappers come onto your show for interviews, and they have the bling bling and all that. The stuff you're wearing right now, bling bling. Unfortunately, it's paid for, people.
Definitely paid for.
But, I mean, you know, they come on the show with the bling bling, and they don't even own it. It's the record label's bling bling, you know. So when you leave, say, Bad Boy, your Bad Boy emblem is gone. Like, they take it. Like, repossession. You have not recouped. That word we're always talking about at NBC, recoupment. Tell us what recoupment means.
I'm going to tell you what recoupment is right here. I'm just about to show you. This is recoupment right here.
Okay.
It's like having a credit card. You know what I'm saying? Somebody is giving you money, basically, and you using it, and you know it has to be paid back. And you know how many black folks have bad credit, right? So this recoupment stuff is going way too far. You know what I'm saying? You have to be smart with your money. That's real.
Record labels are nothing but major creditors.
They're giving you a credit card. They're giving you your platinum card. You wanted your platinum card all this time, or you getting it.
So being independent is basically being your own creditor, your own investor as a whole, creating leverage. So when you go to these record labels, they're not like your creditor anymore. They're your investment company.
Right.
They're investing in another business, so to speak, because you have a company, they have a company. So now there are two companies actually doing business together.
Exactly. And a lot of folks don't really know how to manage their money like real good. And I mean, you know what I'm saying, no problem with that. That's why you also need to get with music business consultants, because they will teach you how to invest your money, how to use your money so that it will help you out in the long run.
Thank you, darling.
You see what I'm saying? It's real.
But a lot of rappers need to come up to you and ask you, really, man, how do I do this? I mean, of course, you don't have all the time in the world to talk to these guys, but that one word, independence, is a word that when they hear that word, they will understand that that's mine. You're telling them to build leverage for yourself.
I mean, it's just like moving out on your own. You know what I'm saying? Instead of living with your moms or your pops for the rest of your life. You got to get out and experience some things so that you learn. Everybody knows when they left their mama house, it was maybe hard at first, but you're glad that you did it, because in the long run, it helps yourself out. Being independent is one of the most important things in the world.
I mean, we don't diss record labels or anything. We just want people to understand what a record company means. What's the definition of a record company? It's just not someone, I mean, no offense, it's sort of like the pimp and the, you know what?
Yeah, I mean, you heard Ice-T say it on the Pimps Up,
Blanks
down.
Yeah,
right. Blanks down. But I mean, basically, the more you do on your own, the better you are going to be if you ever try and get with a major label. It's like if you record your album, you know what I'm saying, you have it done, you get it pressed up, and then you out there selling it out of your trunk, or you get an independent distributor and you selling it. If a major label wants to come, then the least they will do is buy your album from you. So that eliminates the recording budget that has to be recouped when they, you know what I'm saying, when in a regular contract, that it takes away the advance money that has to be recouped. They just giving you money for your album, basically. So that's the least. So the more you do on your own, the better.
Great deal. Oh, my God. Is this the best show ever?